In this video, you'll be learning how to make any ring magically go right through any Sharpie. Woo! Alright guys, we'll go back on the Magic Card Minute. So if you know how to do it through your finger, just like this, it's very easy. It's just like that, except you're using a Sharpie. So what you want to do is have any ring, just like this, and don't drop it. It's okay if you drop it. Have any Sharpie and have any ring. It's a regular ring. Take the ring off and you put it in the front. But really fast, it looks like it goes right through the Sharpie. You want to push forward and put a little bit of pressure in the front, and then it kind of puts more pressure in the back of the Sharpie. The ring pushing forward and the Sharpie kind of pushes back a little bit, and that will make the ring kind of slide off it a lot better and quicker. And with practice, you can just go like this. And then when it looks like really fast, it looks like the ring magically went right through the Sharpie. That's really cool. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. If you're new, subscribe and leave a like. You're a wizard now. Boom! Love you guys so much. Subscribe. Boom! To learn magic and see some cool magic.